Can LLC members take a salary? Yes, LLC members can take a salary, but only if the LLC has elected to be taxed as a corporation. In a default LLC taxed as a sole proprietorship or partnership, members are considered self-employed and do not receive W-2 wages. Instead, they take profit distributions and pay self-employment taxes on their share of the income. If the LLC elects S-corporation or C-corporation taxation, members who actively work in the business are treated as employees. In that case, they must be paid a reasonable salary through payroll with taxes withheld, just like any other employee. They can also receive additional income as dividends or profit distributions, which may reduce their overall tax burden. The short answer is this: members can only take a salary if the LLC is taxed as a corporation. Otherwise, they receive distributions instead of wages. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and handle the right tax elections, so you know whether members should take salaries or distributions. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.